Dun, dun, dun. So this is room 10203 here on the Panorama. I would suspect that it's very similar to its sister ships, the Vista and the Horizon. And we'll give a little tour. Got some jacks over here on the wall. You got a couple of 110s. Got two USBs right there. And then this is the European jack that we're utilizing with that adapter to give us a few more outlets, because unfortunately there aren't any USB outlets over here on the lamps like some of the other ships that have undergone some recent dry docks. There's no USBs up above, but you do have light switch there, or light switches on either side. This particular room has a single sofa bed, which is obviously made up there. And I guess you can call it what it is. You've got some storage here and a safe, 3 drawers, but you only have one hanging closet right there. That's fridge right there. Angie's, what are you doing there, Ange?
I'm trying to detangle Christmas necklaces.
Because we're on Christmas cruise, right?
Right. Well, you know, we don't use them often, so.
So we're going to move Roger the Rabbit up into our window. Of course, we have our quasi-personal lanai right here on the front of the ship. I'm going to take you out the door, take you right out to there. Decorated for Christmas. We walk right here. We come right here. And we're out on our own somewhat private lanai. Oh yeah. So it's about 3 o'clock. And as you can see, we got this all to ourselves. And there's our room right there. So pretty awesome right here at the front of the ship. And we have, I don't even know, what is that?
A bear.
A bear. We have a bear.